talking about? Bitch, who are you? Do I know you, bitch? Fuck you talking about? You hoes not shit, bitch. Y'all, that hoe ain't no threat to me, bitch. If I felt like that, if I felt like a hoe was a threat to me, bro, I would have went at that nigga 8 months ago. It's not. Yeah, bitch. It's not. You hear me? Because I'm good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Bitch, I'm good, hoe. Fuck you mean? Bitch, I'm good. She like, it's the accent, baby. I'm strictly from Memphis, baby. You hear me? Yeah. You hear me? These mad ass hoes. Yeah, bitch. I'm talking about you, Pinky. Bitch, I'm talking about you, hoe. Fuck you talking about. Bitch, it's never about no bitch, hoe. Never about no bitch. Fuck you mean, hoe. Bitch, I fucking with this nigga years, hoe. Before the nigga got on. Y'all hoe better come correct, hoe. Fuck you mean, bitch. The nigga just got in the industry and got an industry, bitch. You hear me? Just gotta accept shit for what it is. Fuck you mean, bitch. That's the thing. Like, I'm not with this nigga. I don't get left, baby. I'm the leaver. Fuck you saying? Y'all gotta know this shit. I don't get left, baby. I'm the leaver. Nah, bitch. I'm on Facebook. You hear me? I'm a big P. You hear me? Bitch, I'm going at the nigga. I'm not even going at her. That's the crazy part about it. It's up there. That hoe got the draw. I'm not even going at her. What the fuck? Y'all just making it like that. Y'all hoes just making it like I'm talking about this hoe. I'm not studying that bitch. I went strictly at the nigga. Did I tag Ari name? No, I did not. I tagged Moneybagg, yo, bitch. Fuck is you talking about? Shit. Ashley Smith, already. What you mean? Already. What is you saying? Bitch. Fuck is you saying? My cousin. I ain't worried about these hoes. They wanted to make it about the bitch. It's nothing. It's not about that hoe. You hear me? And I'm on vacay. Fuck you talking about, bitch. And I'm lit, hoe. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, I'm lit on you hoes. Fuck you talking about. Yeah. Yeah, hoe. I'm lit in real life. Fuck you talking about. And I'm about that shit in real life. Fuck you talking about. I ain't no social media ass, bitch. Hoe, I get active. Bitch. I get active, hoe. I get active in real life. I be active, little baby. Yeah, bitch, I'm a big gangster, hoe. Fuck you talking about, big one. Hoe, and I got big gangsters that's gonna come behind me. Fuck you talking about, hoe. I don't want no motherfucking Mario. Fuck, I done had this nigga down there 13 years, bitch. Fuck. Then stop fucking with niggas. Stop back fucking with the nigga. Fuck you talking about, hoe. Girl. Ooh, y'all done broke a nail and everything. You know what I'm saying? These hoes don't know shit. These hoes just talking. Ooh, especially, I wish I knew who these hoes were behind these fake pages, man. Man, you hoes know to be ghosts. These bitches know to be ghosts, Elliot. These bitches know to be ghosts, man. You hear me? These hoes ghosts behind these fake pages, man. You hear me? Mario should have told y'all I'm the retarded baby mama. The crazy one. Yeah, Rena, we better tell these hoes, cuz we been beating hoes. You hear me, cousin? They gotta know this. This hoe, what's this hoe? Top dollar. This bitch right here. First of all, bitch, let me explain something to you, hoe. Bitch, I'm not mad about a bitch ass thing, hoe. Bitch, I just did some shit, hoe. Fuck is you talking about? Me and my baby daddy is cool, bitch. Well, we ain't cool right now, cause I think I just blew that. But bitch, me and my baby daddy was cool, hoe. Fuck is you talking about? Me and my baby daddy was cool, bitch.
What's the fucking speaker?
Me and my baby daddy was cool. We cool.
My phone is off. No, it was the Kenya phone.
She like, why you mad, bitch? If I was mad, bitch, I would have said something 9 months ago. Bitch, I would have said some shit 9 months ago. Bitch, I would have turned up on his ass 9 months ago. Bitch, I would have, man, did so much shit. Bitch, if I wanted to be known as his baby mama, bitch, I got videos, pictures, and everything, bitch. How I'm just not no grouped in ass baby mama, bitch. Fuck is you saying? That's why you hoes don't know about me, bitch, because I don't make it known. Fuck is you talking about, bitch? Ho, don't know every rapper want people to know about being a baby mama, bitch. I don't care about that shit, ho. Fuck is you saying? Bitch, you hoes gotta be dumb. Bitch, fuck is you saying? See, you hoes don't know shit. They were wrong with y'all now.
Bro, bitches.
These bitches don't know a bitch ass thing, ho. Fuck you mean? Ho? If I wanted to be known, bitch, I would have made that shit known when me and him started back fucking off, bitch. But I didn't, ho. I could have been turned up. Bitch, I could have been hit the shade room, bitch. I ain't give a fuck about that shit, bitch. And damn right, I feel some type of way about that motherfucking Lambo, ho. Bitch, you wanna be fucked with this whole 9 months? Yeah, bitch, I ain't scared to say I feel some type of way about that shit. Yeah, I do. Bitch, fuck you mean? Ho, I'm a woman. I'm Hermit, bitch. Now who gonna stop me from saying what the fuck I feel, bitch? Fuck is y'all hoes saying, bitch? I was just with this nigga 9 months ago, bitch. That, what? Bitch, damn it, now what? Bitch, should I keep going? Do you hear me? These hoes don't know a bitch ass thing. Hoes don't know shit. You hoes wanna know. You bitches wanna know this T-ho. Fuck you saying, bitch. You hoes wanna know this T-ho. Fuck you mean. You bitches wanna know, don't it? Yeah, you hoes wanna know this T, don't it, bitch? You hoes wanna know. Fuck you mean. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, ho, what's up? What's good, bitch? You hear me? They done woke they done woke the beast up. You hear me? They done woke the beast up, man. They done woke the beast up, man. Give me that. None of that, bitch. You hear me? None of that. Fuck is y'all saying, ho? Fuck you talking about Mario know what he got when he fucking with me? Fuck you talking about? You know I'm retarded, bitch. That nigga know I'm retarded. He know I'm retarded. You put my tit up. Y'all don't need to see all that. Fuck you saying, bitch. Hoes talking all that motherfucking shit behind these fake ass pages, bitch. Fuck you mean, ho, I get active for real. Fuck you talking about, bitch. I ain't mad about no nigga, ho. You stupid. Bitch, you stupid, ho. Bitch, I got options. Fuck you talking about, ho. I got options for real. I got options. What is you saying, ho? I got options, bitch. Fuck you mean? If I was really fucked up about it when he brought the hoe to walk her home, I could have turned up then. But bitch, I ain't give a fuck. Fuck you mean? Bitch, I ain't give 0 fucks, ho. And I still don't, ho. And I'ma still walk around Memphis like I can't be touched. And if a hoe ever feel like they gonna play with me, hoe gonna see about me. Fuck you mean? I ain't with none of that shit. I ain't bagging down for no hoe. I don't give a fuck how tough a hoe supposed to be, who she roll with, who she come with, none of that. Bitch, I get active. Bitch. I get active for real. Bitch. She like Kamarian's mom, bitch. Since you wanna know. Kamarian's mother. Ho, the red one. Fuck you mean, bitch. Kamarian's mother. Bitch. Fuck you talking about, ho. Yeah, ho. Bitch, I'm out of time. I'm on vacay. I'm vacay. You heard me? Vacay. 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 Hey. Fuck you saying? Fuck y'all hoes talking about, bitch. I'm on a vacation. Finna head back to the M, get back to the bag. Fuck you mean? You hear me? Get back to my bag. Bitch, back focus. You hear me? Bitch, I got time today. Fuck y'all saying. You hear me? Bitch, I got time today. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Bitch, I got time today. You hear me? Bitch, I had so much fucking fun. I broke my nails. You hear me? Broke my nails and shit. You hear me? These hoes ain't talking about shit. You hear me? Ho, fuck you mean? My these Instagram hoes, them be the main fool. Ho, like, you ugly, bitch. Ho, ugly. Bitch, where your baby daddy at, ho? I'm gonna show you how ugly I am. You heard me, bitch. I ain't shit ugly over here, ho. You stupid. Bitch, I got so fucking turned up yesterday. Bitch, I lost the earring. Bitch, I broke nails. Bitch, that's how turned up I was. You heard me?
What these hoes talking about?
I ain't not a
Playing
bitch.
with Lil Shayna. That's what I'm saying. Stop
Not a
playing with her,
bitch.
bitch.
You heard me?
Stop playing with you hoes.
What you talking about?
Don't even know your name for real.
Man, these hoes.
We get active, little baby.
Hey,
Active, little baby.
bitch, I get active, ho.
Get active,
Yeah, let's go up, cuz. You heard me? Right, turn that shit. Play that bag. You hear me? Play that bag. Got these mad ass. Hey, Shayna got a big mag. Big mag. Yeah, ho. Yeah, I got these hoes. Big mag. Look you. Talk about I'm coming for a bitch. I'm never coming for a bitch. I ain't never went to a hoe about no nigga, ho. Fuck you talking about, bitch. I ain't stop it. Bitch, I'm always going at the nigga.
Roll some dope. Come on.
Roll that dope. Who is this? Oh, my titties. I want y'all to see my titties. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Bitch, I could have been popping a long time ago. Bitch, I could have been said something about dude being my baby daddy, bitch. I wasn't doing it because I'm not a groupie. Bitch, I'm not a groupie to him. Bitch, I've been knowing this nigga all his motherfucking life, ho. You hoes stupid. You hoes stupid. Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Fuck you, tell me. I've been knowing that nigga down there all his life. Fuck. Yeah, ho. It ain't never about a nigga, bitch. Fuck you mean? It's gonna always be you hoes that think it's always gotta be about another bitch. No, ho. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so what's good? Yeah. They big mad, cuz. You hear me? I ain't studying these hoes. These bitches ain't talking about shit. I gotta get my charger.
She's so wavy.
Yeah. Look for like child support on the way. Oh, shit. Look for like child support on the way. Hey. Yeah, bitch, I ain't gonna be quiet on you hoes. Period. Bitch, I got time today, ho. Fuck you mean, bitch. Bitch, I got time today, ho. Fuck you mean. Yeah, ho. And I know how to fight. Fuck you talking about. Yeah, ho. And I know how to fight. Fuck you talking about. Ho. You hoes ain't putting friends. Shit, ho. You remember what whatever fucking name is, walk them down, I'll walk you hoes straight on down, bitch. Fuck you about. Stop making this shit about these bitches. Bitch. I'm so fucking hot. My Vegas so fucking hot, fool. And I'm still good. I ain't worried about none of you hoes. Fuck you something out. Yeah, hoe. Fuck you mean. Bitch, I don't give a fuck about you. Somebody already would never, hoe. I don't give a fuck about that shit, bitch. Fuck you mean, hoe. Get out my motherfucking live, bitch. Fuck you something out. Somebody already would never, bitch. Hoe don't give a fuck about that hoe. Why you even tagging this hoe, bitch? Fuck you mean, retarded ass, bitch. Y'all hoes stupid as hell. Somebody Ari would never. Ari would never. Ari would never. Bitch, shut the fuck up. You don't know what a hoe would do, bitch. You must know this whole personal life, bitch. You must know this whole address or something. Group thin ass, bitch. Hoe. Damn, hoe. You must know this bitch address or something. Bitch, you must know something I don't. Fuck you talking about. Like, let me finish getting ready for this Vegas trip, bitch. Get out here in this hot ass sun, cause it's hot as fuck out here. Whew. You hoes are some hungry hippos, bitch. Bitch, cut it off. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, Kira, you still ain't got no clothes on. You see it already. Come on. Everybody ready?
Yes, bitch. I'm ready. Yep. He like, I bet you. People crazy as hell. Bitch, and I need to go see how you look. Yeah, y'all. Look this Tay Hunter hoe up. Cause this a fake page then, bitch. Shut the fuck up. Period. He's Ikaria, you know I'm not nice. And do, fuck you mean? And do, yup. They should have been bullets so I could put one in your ass. Fuck you mean?
Oh my god. Trying to put a bullet in somebody's ass.
Yup.
This how we wish.
Shit, this nigga on her dick sucking and shit. He must get fucked with a dildo or something. You must get fucked.
She got 2,000 viewers.
Bitch. My, these hoes retarded, fool.
No
Bitch, I'm
problem.
arguing. I can't believe I'm arguing with these hoes all across the world. Hey, this shit lit as fuck, though. Arguing with you hoes. I'm finna say this last so I can go back and find all you hoes talking shit so I can check the shit out you hoes. She like pull a black China. Hey, Montarka, I swear, so I ain't mad. I swear to life, I'm not mad, fool. I'm just plucking with these hoes. Bitch, I don't even watch what Ari do. Like, bitch, get your... Who is you? This fucking Beetlejuice bug looking ass bitch. Girl, get... Woo, bitch. Lord, I'm arguing with the world. I'm arguing with the world.
I don't know. We just meet y'all when we go.
Who? Let me get off here.